Alright guys, this is not how I wanted to start the new video. Hold on, let me clean the lens real quick. This is not how I wanted to start the video, but yesterday I got in my car, I turned it on, and I put my car on drive. I pressed the gas pedal and I'm like, why I'm not moving? Then I did a little research and come to find out, hold on one second. Come to find out that this little green thingy, I don't know what it's called, but it was into pieces. Hold on, let me turn the camera. It was into pieces. Luckily I still have one of these white ones as a spare, because one time my brakes, the one for the brakes went bad and I bought this. Luckily I still got one. I'm finna take the gas pedal. I already got the gas pedal. I still got it on clip it and all that. I'm gonna show you guys right now and put this in. Luckily this fixed the problem, but watch. So y'all see I got the gas pedal here. It was a pain to get it out, but hey, let's see what we get into, and hopefully let's see what this video goes to, because I wasn't even supposed to record today. Alright guys, if y'all can see, I already took it out. Then that green piece, hold on, I cannot even see, goes behind that bar right there. Every time you see that hole, it goes there, and it's supposed to hold the gas pedal kind of like at this. So and it's like this, it's not reading correctly. So that way, whenever I accelerate, it's not gonna go nowhere. So I gotta have it like that, so it can be kind of like this. So let's see, and hopefully it's not this, because if it's this, I don't know how much it is, but let's see. All right, guys, moment of truth. I still gotta check engine light. I gotta see what it is, and if it's something quick, so I'll just erase it or whatever. But let's see. I still got the, hold on, look, let me switch the camera. And don't mind that it's dirty. I know, I still haven't washed it. And y'all see, I still got it hanging, because if not, I don't want to take it out again and all that. I'm gonna push you guys right there and let's see. Hell yeah. And I can say that we finally fixed it. I'm finna go get my OBD2 scanner and try to see what's still wrong, but I'll catch you guys later on this video. Alright guys, I already checked the codes. It was still for the same thing, but I already put the new one in, so I erased it and it went away. It's not coming back or not. I already tested it. And let's see, because I think we gotta see if my sister, she got a 2004 Acura TSX and her AC stopped working, and they already replaced the AC condenser. Now we gotta take the panels on the passenger side to see if it's the AC evaporator or evap, whatever it's called. And if it's that, she's gonna order it so we can put a new one. But yeah, let's see, because today, I don't know if y'all know, it's not sponsored or anything, but today is the Super Bowl. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below who y'all got. I got the Chiefs. I'm just saying. But I'm finna put the gas pedal back in. I'm finna go and do like a loop and see how it is and all that. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah. But yeah guys, it's currently the next day. I'm already taking the seats apart. I already got the passenger side out. I'm finna throw this cover in, and I'm gonna show you guys the seats. So let's see how they come out, and because I wanna have them like be like good, like they look good. If y'all see, I already got the seat out. Whoops. And I don't know what it was, but let me remind you guys, I have never taken the seat apart from the car. So look, I'm trying to see what in the world is that. I'm trying to clean it out, but first I'm gonna do the seat thing, because it looks like it's gonna rain, but it's weird. I don't know what it was, because remember, since they brought me the car, I have never taken the driver passenger seat out. So let's see what I can do with it. Yes sir, look at how that's just looking. Remember, I'm gonna show you the driver's side. They were both the same on how bad they were looking, so shit, I'm happy with it, how it turns out. Now I'm finna do the other side. The other side, I'm finna actually try to record it. So let's see, guys. Alright guys, this is how they came out. They're looking better. Tomorrow in the morning I'll show a better view, but this is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe. Next video I want to see if I can get a center console like that piece right there, a newer one in black or something, because that one I'll talk about that one in the next video. But thank you guys for subscribing, because we're almost at 100 subscribers. I cannot even believe it. That's how the finishing product is looking, guys. It's already morning. Y'all can see the back, everything. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And thank you guys for subscribing. We're almost at 100 subscribers. I cannot even believe that. And we've been getting a lot of views. That's good. Make sure to like I always say. If y'all want to see something new, something different, let me know in the comment sections down below. Follow me on Instagram, everything. And yeah, guys, thank you.